Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a bit different. I was actually challenged to make a video of what's in my bag. If you're into watching vlogs, you probably know that bag raid is all over YouTube nowadays. And if you're watching this right now, that means I'm taking the challenge. So let's get started. To make this video still a learning experience for ESL learners, you can take note of the vocabulary of everything I'm going to talk about if you're not familiar with the English terms. Get to know me a little bit more through the daily essentials in my bag. So this is my bag. This is what I use most of the time, especially when we travel, because I like it. It's simple, it's practical, it's spacious, that I can actually use it with any clothes or occasions except for formal ones. So this bag can go from casual gatherings to semi-formal events. So let's take a look at what's inside. I have here my tumbler. So I usually put water or coffee when we travel in the morning. But most of the time just water. Hairbrush, brush for my hair, of course. And my pouch, which has my essentials like alcohol, powder, lipstick, house keys, oil blotting paper, and vitamins. Yes. This is a power bank, so I can use it whenever and wherever. This is very essential when you're traveling. Now I have my flashlight and whistle. So it's working for emergency. And pen. I like writing sometimes. Small notebook. What else do I have here? Oh, my husband's broken phone, just in case we find a repair shop so we can have it fixed. I don't know, I always have this cover in my bag for quite some time now. This is a cover for Jagariko kalbi, if you're familiar with that Japanese snack that I really love. I don't have it right now, I just have the cover. Coin purse, and this for my hair. This is actually a sock. I cut it and I use it when I make a bun. Yeah, this is very essential when I want to tie my hair. So that's it. That's what's inside my bag, and just coins. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something. You were able to pick some vocabulary, and I was able to share a little bit about myself through this video. And I hope you can also share yours. If you're interested, you can let me know what's inside your bag. So see you again in the next video. Bye bye!